Today I'm gonna be making Brazilian cheese croquettes, which we call in Brazil Risoles de Queijo. But first, let's go for the ingredients. And the ingredients are 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 package of chicken bouillon, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, oil for frying, and mozzarella cheese for filling. The first thing you're gonna have to do, you're gonna get a medium pot, turn the heat to medium, and we're gonna be adding the milk, the chicken bouillon, salt, and the butter. You're gonna mix this until it boils and it turns to a homogeneous mixture. Now that it's started to boil, we're gonna add the flour and mix until it forms a dough and comes out from the pan. That's the most important part. Just blend them all together. Now that everything came out from the pan, as you can see, you're gonna move this to a plate. When you put it in a plate, you're gonna cover it with plastic wrap and let it cool down. And we'll be back. Now that we wait to cool down, we're gonna roll the dough. So you're gonna put it in a table on the counter with flour and then roll the dough. Now you're gonna get a top of a jar to make circles. Just like that. Take that base out. Now you're gonna get the mozzarella cheese. You cut this in half because it's big enough. Put it in the middle. Cover. And just with your hands, you just do this to close. That's it. And we're gonna be doing that in all of them. Now that you finished putting all the filling on the risoles, we're gonna now dip on the egg and on the breadcrumb before we fry them. So you just dip. When you finish breading, we're gonna start frying. Make sure the oil is hot before you start dipping them. Starting to get brown, it's time to flip them. Now with that golden brown, you put it in a paper towel. It's delicious. Now the best part, let's try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button below. We also have a Facebook and Instagram page called Marley Recipes. Go there, like and share, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!